waiting for a touch. Yes, satisfied. Ball has made contact with the fielder's hand. Go side on for the wicket being broken. Satisfied.
It should be just the 3 letters on the big screen. Mitch Owen, run out courtesy Mohammad Nawaz. Confirmation now. Just clips the fingertips of Mohammad Nawaz.